What's happening? Welcome, everybody. How's it going? Well, we're back for the second round of today. Well, quite an interesting price action, to say the least. Especially if you look at the 1 minute. I mean, look at that. Slow grind all the way up there. Taking on that 296 level that we were talking about in London session. And still didn't go down to 227. Who knows? Hey, Kyle, Dominic, Bob, and Holy Grail. Welcome, guys. So, I think this is quite interesting. The way it took out this level at 296. And now we're back down here. Absolutely interesting. Look at all these bearish candles going down there to the range. If we go a little bit higher on the 15 minute, feels like, I don't know. Let me get this out of here. Feels like it might want to continue lower back to the 15 minute fair value gap at 211. Not sure. Well, I guess we'll see. Made 400. Parminder, congratulations. Let me give you an applause. And everybody who made profit. That's a nice job. Parminder, congrats. That is good. That is an awesome. Vida, hello. Howdy. Good to see you. So, what's happening? I mean, just look at the 1 minute. No clean movement so far. It's just taking the stairs up and down. No clear targets or whatsoever. You're welcome, Parminder. That's a great result. 400, especially in this price action. You know, no clear order blocks, no clear levels, nothing special on the 5 minute as well. Look at all these wicks on these candles. It's pretty much like, I don't know. Let's see the 1 hour. Made it higher, took some more liquidity. Who knows? Is it going to go down? Looks bearish, all right. But anyway, we're less than 1 minute away from the market open, so let's focus on that. Let's focus on that. Let me find a 1 minute candle. 1 minute chart, sorry. Right here. All right, so this is a 1 minute chart. 20 seconds until open. Martin, hey, what's going on? Let's see where this wants to go. All right, much better to start now, just before the market open. All right, so 2, 1, and market is open for business. Let's see how it prints, or sprints maybe. Going lower. Look at this. All right. So far, nothing special. Edging a little bit there. I'm actually expecting a drop, but that doesn't really matter. Let me delete that. Let me delete that. So the levels here, 227, 211 that I see. What is ES doing? Dropping. ES is dropping. I think it will drop, continues to drop. Look at that. NQ still going down, I think. What else? Yeah, look at that. I don't know how far does it go. Good question, right? Does it want to go down all the way, or is it just going to reprice some levels here? I wonder. Could be a reversal in place. Seems like it's continuing. Look at that. What was the level down there? We were talking about 211. Not sure if it wants it, but it seems like it might. Careful by taking any trades. Obviously, we have a 15-minute fair value gap down there, so just to start week green. Let's go. OSM. What is OSM? Let's go, let's go. We're just repriced this 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see if it wants to go back higher or not. It's actually a bearish order block if you think about it. It's 10 points higher, and it does. Goes higher. So this order block here has been tagged. I'm just gonna have to mark this for future reference. Okay, so that has been tagged. The question is it want to go higher or continue lower down to the 211? Feels like it wants to. Or it might want to. Okay, maybe wants to go higher. Nothing. Could go higher to the 93s, which I'm not sure of. But if it does, that would be quite interesting. Nothing yet. No, it's not going there. No, it's not going there. So if it's not going there, where should it go, right? Or maybe it does. Let's wait for it. Maybe it does want to go higher. Who knows? Does it want to break that level or just continue lower? I feel like anything is possible here. So be careful. Was this the judo swing and now it wants to take those highs? It has some trouble reaching higher. It might want to dump here if it gets heavier. Yeah, let's wait. That level lower was the what level was that? That was the 15-minute gap. I don't know if that's the ultimate goal or not. Now I feel like this could be the goal. Then it has to take the 93 maybe to go higher. Not sure. Has to go through 93 if it wants to go for that open high. Let's wait. Oh, it's not taking it now. Still holding. Not strong enough. Almost went through. Maybe not. Maybe it's not going to. Who knows? Now it went through. Yeah, Bulenox allows DCAing. Yes, Ginzo. Sorry, Gizno. Then what do you think is the percentage of people who take trades New York Open? Well, a lot. I think at least 50 to 60% of people take trades. Awesome. All right. Thank you. I was just focusing. Sorry, guys. I was focusing on the lower time frame charts to see what's going on. It's definitely interesting price action here. So yes, absolutely a lot of traders are taking trades here. And this one is just keeps going so far. No stopping, just going higher. What was the high? Actually, 390 was a level up there. Look at this wick. Almost went down to take out that 211. What a price action. Very tricky. So Thursday high is at 390. On the 5-minute, there's nothing else. We have a high at 62. I'm going to put a line there just to see what's going on. All right. I have no setup in this range. So I'm thinking of avoiding. Oh, yes. The best is to open the, to avoid the opening price action. At least wait 15 minutes or something for the first moves to settle down, and then should be better. I mean, some kind of a direction forming, especially for the 10 a.m. hour. So best to wait for that. I hope I don't have any orders. No, I don't. All right. Good. Good, good, good. Very good. So far, I don't see anything major. The 15-minute gap is still down. Feels like, I mean, if you look at the 15-minute chart, it's almost like a big doji candle. Indecision in the market. It might be just chopping around. No news so far. Pretty much like did the up and down movement. SMT divergence, ES lower than NQ. All right. That's true. So if ES starts to dump, where can it go? The thing is, it's almost like I have no idea. I still like the level down at 219 as well, so I'm gonna put this here at 219. Almost relative equal lows down there. The low of this is 22 and another low is at 19.75, so 2 points and 1 ticks. Let's go back to the 1 minute, see what's happening. Nothing. Nothing is happening. Let's go. Now going sideways a little bit, still at the midnight area. No direction. The 1 minute is, as you see, starts to go sideways now. One fair value gap down here at 87. This one has been repriced. I feel like it's not gonna hold. We could go down to 86, 87. So nothing at all. Quick look at gold. Jesus, gold looks terrible. Just look at gold. Absolutely, this is nothing. Absolutely nothing. No clear levels, nothing on gold. It's a good thing I don't trade gold now. Yeah. Okay, I don't see anything. Nothing that I like. Obviously the 62 level is tempting. If it starts to go. Looks good. Not sure if that's the target, but who knows? Still has some momentum, I think, drawn to it, but hard to say. Anyway, yeah, he's going for it. 62, he's going for it. And after 62, there comes 390, the Thursday high. Let's look at the 4 hour. Where can we go? Yeah, 390. Absolutely, why not? Look at that. The 390-ish. I think there's a chance for us to go there. But have to wait first. Yeah, 390 could be a good area. Have to be careful. It poked into a 1 minute gap down there. Nothing special. If it's not taking it out, then obviously we're looking something else here. Might go down again to those lows. Yeah, nothing is clear. Komodo. About 150k. Ah, thank you, bro. Thank you so much, Dominic. Thank you for the support. Raul, hey there. Money chance until... Well, when is the 85 activation? I think it's until the middle of August. It's until the middle of August. So until the 15th, I think. That's what they said last time. So... Should I just buy for trading stay? I don't know, man. You have to manage your own risk. But, you know, hard to say. As it wants to go and take the Thursday high at 390, who knows, you know. It's a hard bet. If it melts down, we could return down to 211. So be careful. I don't see anything on the 15 or the 5. It could be also seek and destroy day. As far as I can tell. It can be a typical seek and destroy day. The 30-second shifted lower, which I don't know if it means anything, but if it does, well. Nothing so far. You are just chilling your account. Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm waiting actually. Because there's still no clear entry on my end. Nothing that I like. Nothing that I like to enter for now. So I like the levels down here at 250 or lower, but no entry or no clear direction. But yeah, I just chill, you know. I'm just chilling here. If it really wants to go, then you know, it has to take, what's this level? 53. Yeah. Could go or should go down there. Hard to say. So I just chill. I really do. This is not an order block. I'm watching for order blocks or possible levels. It could be just repricing this area. So keep that in mind. First have to see. But I still don't see a clear... If I enter a trade, I'm going to let you guys know, but I don't see any clear direction. Now it at this very second, it looks like it could be a seek and destroy pattern. So it can go all the way down to the 50s from here. The 30-second actually shifted lower, just saying. So that's bearish. Yeah. But I'm not trusting this. We are around the VWAP. So also the 300 level, if it gives in, then yeah, we could be going for the 51s or 52. I don't even know what's the low of this candle. 50.50. There's a level at 86 as a fair value gap. On the 5-minute, there is nothing special. This is typically the area that I don't like. So yeah, I'm just chill. Just chill. Watching the 30-second chart too, by the way. And checking if we have a shift. Because if we have a shift, then 90.50 could be the move. But, you know. It's not happening yet. Repricing. No major moves, no major displacements so far. Could be spiking higher here a little bit. But it has to go above, what's the high? 340.75. If that's really a case here. But it doesn't want to go right now. In fact, it might want to dump. Who knows? So if it's not breaking 341, which I think it should. And there you go, it does. Still not a clean break. It could be a liquidity sweep. YM will sell from here. Well, if it's risky, then be careful with it. Oh yeah, look at YM. Could be repricing. What is ES doing? ES, nothing special. It could be pushing higher. I'm still watching NQ. If I enter a trade, I'll let you guys know, even to a scalp. It feels bullish to me, not gonna lie. It feels bullish. The NQ feels like it might want to break that Thursday high up there. Let me delete that at 390. From here, it looks like it. But I don't know. Or this could be the big dump. Should decide almost 10 a.m. Watching the 30-second too, no clear direction. Feels like it wants to push, but the bulls are not so strong right now. They're trying, but who knows? Maybe they will succeed. I think it's going to be hard for the bulls to break through this 367, or what level is this? 366, 67 level. I feel like that's going to be a little bit of a trouble to go through there. So they really have to be good. That 390 level might want to get taken. Still not there. First have to go through, what's this, 366. If it's going for it. And that's a big if. Clearly there's no direction yet. I mean, it's I don't know. They might want to push it, but it just didn't go through yet. Anyway, the thing is, my favorite scalp would be an order block, but I don't see an order block. And there was no entry on the 5-minute as well. The only level up here is the 390, but I feel like, I don't know. And we're just starting the silver bullet hour right now. And I have nothing that I like. And I have no orders. As you guys see, I'm flat and no positions. But look at that. Might want to take it. 390. No, not yet. One fair value gap on the 1 minute. In case someone wants to scalp it for a reprice. That's a good 20 points. And look at that. It broke that level. 390. 390. Here we go. Could be profit taking at these levels. So careful. I'm not in a position. But it feels like it wants to go. Or it just might. Okay. Going back down a little bit. Let's see. My stop loss hit, but I'm cool because trade was not a YOLO. There you go. Yeah, don't overheat. Watch out for that. Watch out for that. So we're still hovering here, close to the 390. Let's see the 5-minute. Interesting price action for sure. Could be repricing this current gap right now. Might gonna give one more try. So the silver bullet hour is officially started, or has officially started, but nothing else I like. The problem is I have no levels, no clear levels here that I like. I mean, the 1 minute was absolutely terrible, and look at the 5 minutes since the whole London session. All we have is this. The only level is the 390 to go for, but I feel like it might be too obvious. So I'm gonna be cautious, and I'm just gonna keep on waiting, because that's what we do. We wait. I made $100 today off stream on one of my funded accounts, getting ready to pay out. I mean, hopefully soon, but otherwise, nothing special. Nothing that I like. All right, looks like it might want to go again. I'm watching the 30-second chart too, but there is no shift yet. But still, the only level that I like is up there at 390. So what can I say? Waiting and waiting and more waiting. If this one will start to dump, then obviously I will be looking down at the 250s. Otherwise, I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, it might be giving up here. The 1 minute might be giving up the race here. Let's see how far it goes. Just felt too heavy. And now it feels like it just wants to continue lower. There is a wick on the 5 minute at 94. Yeah, 90, 96. What's the low of this? Let me check it. 94.25. If that's the case. Or, well, maybe we see a repricing of this 1 minute gap up there. This one is closing in a few seconds. It felt heavy. I just don't know if it wants to go down. It should go through that 94 level. If not, then obviously have to be a sharp reversal to the upside. I'm watching closely. Past the 50k eval. Congratulations. Let me give you a proper applause there. Congratulations, Dominic. Nice job there. It's easy with the new computer, you know. Nice job. Congrats, man. That's great. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I know you could do it. I knew it. I knew you can do it. All right, what's happening here? Is it going to dump or what the hell is happening? Maybe the VWAP is gonna give some level for it to be held. Not much, I guess. Anyway, all right. We touched the VWAP. I don't have an entry yet. I'm still waiting, guys. I am still just waiting on the sidelines. I'd like to jump in. With VWAP, everything is possible. Yes, Holy Grail. So I'm going to be watching what it does here at the VWAP. The VWAP. No order block that I like. But I do like some targets on the downside. 219, 211. So far, it did not manage to break higher. I was motivated because I won't do a bad name for your community. Hey, dude. Dude, thank you. All right, man. All right. Guys, I'm still just waiting. Nothing special. I didn't see any entry. As you see, I'm on the 1 minute and there's no order blocks, no clean targets. Everything is wicked out. The only thing I see here is maybe this 87 level with the fair value gap. It could go down there. I think it should or would. I don't know. To get some liquidity on that drop. But if the VWAP is going to hold this, we can have a VWAP bounce. So always have to be careful at the VWAP. Actually, I don't like to take trades at the VWAP because it likes to bounce here. But if it goes through, then anything can happen. So far it's holding. And there you go. Down to that fair value gap. Alright, so this is what I was waiting for. Now the next target would be the 50s. Now this is something I'm interested in. If this one is closing like this with a displacement, which is happening now, this could actually be a nice short entry. Who knows? You know, maybe go lower a little bit. And then obviously we talked about that 211-ish area. Gonna be looking for that too. Well, it has to break through that 51 level. All right. And I think it almost did. It almost did, but still no entry. I still have no entry, guys. I still have nothing. Reprice the 1 minute gap. Yeah. Does Apex still have the 1 day? Yes, they do. Apex still has the 1 day pass, everybody. So don't sleep on it. Still 1 day pass. It's still going. So yeah. The 1 day pass is still a thing. All right. Going lower. Seems like now it's coming, the 223. Or maybe not. I'd like to see that 211-ish level or area. If that's thing that we can go for. But we could be rebouncing up there. Yeah, nice drop here on the 5 minute. What is ES doing? Could be dropping too, who knows? Took some profits on this drop, nice. I really don't like trading such. Yeah, this is typically not ideal. I mean, we can just go and trade in the inside range, you know, especially on the 5 minute chart. Not something I like here. Poked into the 1 minute again. Yeah. So definitely not something I like. Might just wants to go higher and higher and reprice everything. We don't know. Actually, it shifted higher on the 1 minute. Small shift, but you know, could be going for internal range. We don't know. All right. You have some levels at 309, the other fair value gap up there. If it starts to drop, then we might see. Yeah, this is disgusting, this market. Yeah, as I said, we can just trade for the internal range, maybe back to the midnight area, and who knows what's then. It's hard to determine. There are levels at 310-ish. As I said, if it wants to go for internal range or internal liquidity, then it can do so, but it has to trade above the 310 area. Let's wait and see. There's a 5-minute gap above there. Not sure if that's the case. Hey, Top G. What's happening? I'm back. You need a video editor. Yeah, I might gonna need one. What's happening? All right, let's go. I'm waiting if this one wants to take that internal liquidity at, what's the level? 300 and what's the high of that? 11.25. You know, not sure if it wants to go for it or not. What are you guys up to? Because I just don't have a level to go for. This is not an order block. This is not an order block to the left. I don't see anything. Absolutely nothing that I like here. I thought that we're gonna go for that. I have no positions. I just couldn't enter anything. I did not want it to enter on just based on gut feelings, because that can usually mess up the thinking process. So I just can't. Kind of bear flag on 1 minute. All right, WG. Yeah, kind of like a bear flag. And now look at that. We went back for the fair value gap on the 5. Look at this. Look at this. What do you know? Back to the range. And still nothing. I mean, no clean entry that I like. Gold looked like shit. I'm sorry. Sorry. That looks bad. And what else do we have? The only thing maybe is we go up to 39. So this not too perfect order block. So far nothing. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sitting here with no trades on my hand. I wanted to make some profits, but I still don't have anything here. Okay, look at this. Now we are shifting a little bit lower. Could this be the move? I don't trust this. Well, we'll see. If it really wants to go lower, then first it has to take out the 240, what's that, 241? And we have these levels down there at 219. I don't know. It did create a fair value gap on the 1 minute, but no structure shift. So, but we are below the VWAP. Let's see if that's enough for it to send it lower or not. We have a target at 67-ish area. If someone wants to scalp this, we have the reaction from the VWAP to might send it lower. But I do like the levels down there. I'm gonna walk and buy a mouse. There you go. Let's go, Dominic. Yeah, charts aside, alert on. Yeah. Just observing, guys. Just observing. Trader Monk. Oh yeah, I read that. Okay, kind of bear flag on 1 minute. That's true. Yep. Just watching. I'm focusing, but I don't see anything special. I feel like it took the internal liquidity. So the logical step would be to deliver it to the downside. Since it tried once, it failed. Now it might try once more. And you know, if it does, it might go into deliver it now. All the way down to, I don't even know where. We still have some Asia lows down. If this one is going to be, or could be, a sell-off. I don't like anything here. Yeah, it stick to the VWAP. Feels like it's gonna turn bullish again. Yeah, could be. Swept some more liquidity on this 1 minute gap. Let's see how it's gonna continue. Yeah, it wants to go maybe higher. Starting to feel heavy again. And it's stuck here. It's stuck here. Just narrowed down into this point. And we're stuck. Nothing to go with. No order blocks, no fair value gaps, no nothing. Slowly going down. Might be changing or shifting lower again. But it could be just a liquidity sweep again. Let's wait this one out. Because it might have to take that low. Anyway. Hey Ludafisk, how you doing? Good to see you. Holy Grail, I took a long, small scalp. Be careful with the longs, I say. Sweet 100, alright. Price is wondering on like Joe Biden on stage. I don't know, man. It's definitely, I mean, the whole session, when did we start? Here at 9:30. This whole session is like, you know, not that clear. Taking internal liquidity and just goes up and down, no clear levels. I still like that 211 down there, but I don't know. Kind of interesting. I'm trying to go with the momentum. It feels heavy. I would say it might tank anytime. But because we are just trading internal range, I'm scared to jump into a short. But I think it can tank. Or not. There's this tiny fair value gap up there at 76-ish area. Might reach for that. Overall, the whole thing feels bearish, I'd say. But I'm not going to do anything with this. At least not now. This is just going for internal range. You can damn near see the NQ patting its pockets and looking around quizzically. Yeah, it is. It does. I don't know, man. I mean, look at that. Reprice that gap. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Internal range. What is ES doing? ES made a new low. Could be an SMT divergence. Who knows, right? NQ still didn't go for the lows. Look at the 5 minute. It's absolutely not the best one I've seen so far. Best thing is to wait. Push the like button, by the way, and subscribe to the channel if you would like to help me out. Thank you so much. Also, I haven't said it yet in this stream, but if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. Thank you so much. It helps out the channel and keeps me here full time. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the support. All right, look at that. Back to the internal range. Now it goes a little bit of a down movement. Reprice this area. But is this enough for this one to just dump? The 5 minute and the 15 minute does not show anything at all. So if we're just trading with the momentum, I would say it's still a possible short opportunity here. But no, I have no entry. All those wicks on the upside, trying to push it down. Feels heavier and heavier. You know, I'm not sure. No clear direction. Okay, we see a little bit of a push up there. Let's see if this one closes above this wick. Could be some bullish momentum kicking in, not yet. Now maybe this one. No, not this one. Still nothing. I don't know. It felt heavy, but now I'm not sure. What levels do we have? We have a 07. It can go higher, I guess. It might want to. Sure does, seems like it. I mean, if they want to put it higher, they have to go through, what was the high on the 5 minute? 20.75. They just have to go through 20.75. Or who knows? But if this is just an internal trade, then the dump can be happening anytime. Hey, Slim Trady. Acting like an old man standing on the middle of the step wondering. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it's just wandering, doesn't really know where to go. Turns around everywhere. Well, let's wait this out. See if they want to push it higher or not. If they will, the 390 level could be a possible target if they want to push it higher. But we don't know that. So let's wait and see. If the bulls really want to push it. Obviously there is liquidity up there, but above the 320. Repricing a little bit lower at the VWAP. Let's see what it wants. It might not be enough to hold it, but it's ready to break to the high. Do you have equal highs with the 4-hour high? I'm looking for. Oh, you're looking at an S100. I think. Let me see. Relative equal highs at the 4-hour. I don't see any. But if you see some equal highs, you know, even on the NAS 100, that could be something good. But so far, I don't see anything there. Anyway, I'm watching this action for now, hoping for maybe an entry. Yeah, but so far it's getting weak. It's getting weaker and weaker. If it loses ground here, it's gonna drop real hard all the way down to that level that we talked about, the 211. So I don't know if it wants to break or not. I just don't know what to make of this. Almost broke the highs. 5-minute was ready. I don't know. We still have that gap from last week. The reports, you know, the earning reports from Tesla, I think. That was it, earnings. I mean, that was quite interesting. Anyway, I don't have an entry, guys. I wish I would. This could be a bullish order block, but not too perfect one, so I'll be careful. Create another daily fair value gap. Oh, the high that create the daily fair value gap. Let's see, the high that created daily. This is the daily, which is at 390. Yeah, there's no equal highs here on NQ on the 4-hour, but interesting. Okay, look at that. It technically broke the 321. A little bit dangerous place to be. No trade, guys. I just have no trades on. I'm still sitting here without doing anything. Hey yo, hey yo. Not a little bit more danger. Yeah. I'm sorry, trying to express myself while I'm watching the action. You know. And on my Bulenox account, this is the funded account, I made $100 today, so I'm quite happy about that. Hopefully getting closer to payout. All right, let's see. We have a shift on the 1 minute here. Look at this. Wow. We have a shift here. So it could be the sell that we were waiting for. You know, finally, that 40, 44 or 41 area might gonna give in. Where is that? It's down there. I think it just might give in. All right, nice. Almost not there. But anyway, going for it. Look at this. It's just not going for it. I thought that it's, I almost jumped in and I was waiting for this one to maybe start to go higher back to the gap, and it's not going for it. It's not going for it. I don't know what the hell. Okay, look at that. Okay, we might get it. We might get it for a scalp at 65, but no, it's going without me, guys. It's gonna go without me. Damn it, it was so close. It's gonna go without me. Wanted to YOLO my rhythmics, setting won't allow. I didn't do anything special there. What a classic razor death header essential for 40 bucks. I don't know what that is, but seems like that's a device from the future that opens up a portal to another multiverse or something, but I like it. I like it. Alicia, hey there. Good to see you. What's going on? What's going on, Alicia? Hey yo, hey yo. All right, it has repriced those levels. Now the question remains, is it gonna go lower or not? I think it will. And I'm not in the trade again. I don't know why. Should be going through. Or not. Still repricing. I don't know if they want to break that wick down or not, or it just wants to bounce. But it's definitely having a hard time here. That's for sure. I'm not even looking at bookmap, but I'm guessing a lot of orders are lined up below 41. Okay, we're here for a bounce, which is actually an interesting news. I'm gonna go higher and reprice. No, it didn't. It didn't. It has a specific ergonomic, and my hand never hurt when I played. Oh, nice. Good to know. Good to know. So finally we took out this low. We took out the low there, and I still don't have an order. Final target would be to go for the 211, and I did not have a proper order block. I mean, this one up here on the 1 minute, this one could be technically an order block. Not such a good one, but you know. We can still go back. Let's see if this one wants to go and take out that 11.75 or not. I'm still curious. To see it happen. Today I feel as if NQ has been drinking. Oh, it definitely did, guys. It definitely. Support around 25? Could be. Could be Tech T. Taze, hey! What account do you use for, sorry, Apex? I want to try, but I don't know which one. Well, you know, it depends on, you know, which platform you like. Many people like Tradeawait. So if you like Tradeawait, which has a web platform too, or you can download it, it's very much user friendly. So I'm using Quantower, which is rhythmic connection, because I copy trade between multiple accounts. So I'm using rhythmic, but obviously it had many issues in the near past. So careful with that. But the most user friendly, I think, is Tradeawait, but I use Quantower with rhythmic. So but so far I think it's, I mean, I have no major, I had some issues, last year with TradeAway, but I think TradeAway is user friendly. Also, by the way, MyFundedFutures is, I mean, the only difference is between platform for trading. The difference, it's only the software. I mean, I don't know. I don't understand the question. The only difference is between platform for, yeah, everything else is the same. So the same safety thresholds, the same targets, the same everything. You can trade mini micros. All the instruments are the same. So basically, it's just the software itself, the platform. So nothing special, nothing crazy with that. So yeah. Absolutely nothing special with that. Okay, now finally this level has been taken. So everything is, you can do the same things. The only thing is, which I like Quant Tower, is I can copy trade between multiple prop firm. With TradeAway you can't. You cannot copy trade between multiple prop firms. Do you know some prop firm with MT5? Well, obviously Forex prop firms go with MT5. So the biggest ones right now are FTMO, Funded Next, the Fivers. So these are the big Forex prop firms with MT5. If you're outside the US, then they can give you MT5. If you're a US customer, then I think you cannot go with MT5. Anyway, then you have to go with the Forex. I'm using futures prop firms, but I'm still looking. Maybe I'm gonna trade with Forex prop firms again, but the spread and the price, so everything was a little bit crazy there. And since I'm with futures, I like it very much. I'm having much more success with futures. It's more precise. Everybody sees the same price because it's regulated. While at the Forex prop firm, they can manipulate the spread, the slippage, even the price. So, and with futures, of course. But I guess you might know that. With futures, everything is regulated. I mean, at least for this, everybody sees the same thing. Bonbon uses Rhythmic. Yeah, I use Rhythmic. Basically, I always choose Rhythmic. So, but I have to go with TradeAway because MyFundedFutures is permanently stopping with Rhythmic accounts. I guess they had enough with the issues, so they're going to stop with the new accounts for Rhythmic. It's a permanent decision. That's what they said. There you go. So I'm gonna be trading with Rhythmic too because I like MyFundedFutures. Basically, they are my favorite. I can say that, so don't tell anyone. MyFundedFutures is my favorite prop firm, but I have to get used to TradeAway much more because, you know, it's how it goes. Anyway, I took break even and price start melting. Yeah, that happens a lot. That's a typical reaction, you know. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and like the stream. Also, you know the drill, the best code, tomsabo, if you would like the support. Thank you, guys. I've taken a new Apex. Nice parm in there. Let's go. Good luck with the count. Let's make it count, you know. Good luck with trading. Good luck with the account. Don't forget the sale, the 90% sale is still on today and until Wednesday with Bulenox. So obviously they can do a sale, who knows when, but if you want to make sure, just stack a few accounts and that's it. Apex sale for $40 for a big account. 150, 250 and 300k accounts are only for $40, guys, if you use the best code. You are there. With your support, we will also pass. Thank you, Parmin, there. We're all in this together, you know, guys. Let me think. It might still sell hard. I'm just... I don't know, man. The thing is... this price action on the 5-minute, I just don't like it. We have that Sunday open, you know, here, which is very strong, and it poked down into this fair value gap. But otherwise, I don't see anything down there. And we still have that gap up here if you check the 1-hour chart from that earnings report. So I would be looking for long positions, but that's just only me. I don't have an order block. I mean, I have one here. It's not too perfect, but I really don't have anything special. If price starts to gravitate towards this level up there, I might look for something to go long, but I don't even have an entry here. No structure shift on the 1 minute, so it's hard to say. We have one more level, the 167, which is the Asia low. That's all we're left with. So it could be just repricing here between like 23 to 37 and then goes lower. Who knows? How many PA accounts can you have on Bulenox? You can have up to 11. Gizno, you can have 11, but it starts like you can have 3, and whichever account goes higher than the safety threshold, then you can add more. So you can do more evaluations, but you know, they only activate you more the more your accounts are, the more accounts you have above the safety threshold. But overall, I think 10 or 11, something like that. Maybe 10, 11, something there. But anyway, you can only add them as the accounts are getting above the safety threshold, and then you can activate them. So for brand new accounts, brand new funded accounts, you can start with 3. I use TradeAway and NinjaTrader. I can't scroll the chart up and down. I don't know why. With NinjaTrader, you should be able to, if you click on the chart like here in TradingView, or push down the control button and like that. I don't know. I have traded NinjaTrader last year. I don't remember. But hey, TechT, you need to add fast track trading link. I think it's down there. I think it's down there in the description. Check it out. I think it's below the description, but let me see if I'm spamming it with Streamlabs. I think it's on the timers, but maybe it's disabled because I already got some hate last week that I'm spamming you guys. Yeah, it was disabled. Now I have enabled it. Instant funded account at Fast Track Trading down in the description. If you use my link, that gives some credit to the stream, to the channel. The code is FTT_30, I think, for the 30% discount. Yeah, look at that. We might go for the Asia low, 167. So, Komodo, I think we're dropping. Easy to say now, right? We're dropping. All right, it's going down to 67. It might. Careful, everyone. Whatever you do. This can actually go down fast if it wants to. Yeah, it just did. Yeah, there you go. So Asia lows has been taken, or have been taken. And now nobody knows what's gonna happen. We have these wicks on the 15-minute chart. Could still go lower. Nothing to go with, really. Obviously, it's just Monday, so we should be having better price action. Maybe tomorrow. What are the news for tomorrow? Tomorrow we have Jolt's job openings and CB consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So should be giving some better liquidity levels. Or better price action, I wanted to say. All right. Look at this. Are we gonna go down to 105? Who knows? FOMC on Wednesday. Yeah, that's the big one. That's the big one, guys. Nothing here. This up here is not a perfect, but it's almost like a 5-minute bearish order block. So it shifted lower. So I'm gonna put a marker. The open is 64.50. 5-minute bearish order block. Okay, this doesn't matter anymore. the kill zone officially ended, so I don't know what else we can do. I mean, we can, but it all depends if it wants to go higher or not. Dun, dun, dun. And by the way, Take Profit Trader has changed the sale, so now it's 50% off, but the activation fee is back. But you can get your activation fee from your initial purchase on your first withdrawal. So that's the deal right now. But the place where there is no activation fee is MyFundedFutures. I can't wait. It seems like there's going to be some huge update on the 1st of August. I think a new platform is coming in with MyFundedFutures. That's what they say. So hopefully it will be exciting. I'm looking forward to it. I really do hope that it's going to be a good one. Anyway, today I had pretty much an okay day. I can show you guys some of my accounts. Unfortunately, I still don't have my funded account on Rhythmic. I have a funded account with MyFundedFutures and TradeAway, but on the Rhythmic it didn't go through. But so far today, these are my results. It's a Bulenox funded account, getting close to payout again. On my other Bulenox, this is a new one. I just flipped it to be traded. Also this one too. This Apex account was just flipped with a little bit of a negative balance, but it's ready for payout, 2,673. And this other one I did 300 and almost $328. And on this one I did also like $316 today unfunded. So these were unfunded. Nothing else for today, but I made a few hundred unfunded accounts, so I'm all right with that. Oops, my superb car. So that's how I'm doing for today. Yeah, new platform. Yeah, I mean, not the website, but I mean trading platform. So they are permanently disabling Rhythmic. I mean, if you already have a Rhythmic account, it's all right, but you cannot purchase Rhythmic accounts anymore. They said it's permanent. It's not just temporarily, but you cannot purchase Rhythmic accounts anymore. So they're going to bring in something else, but the TradeAway is still there. TradingView is still there. NinjaTrader will be available as well, but no Rhythmic connections. So, which is, you know, not that bad. It's good. Yeah, TradeAway is user friendly. I guess I have to go with that too. I have a funded account with MyFundedFutures and TradeAway. I still have to trade on that a little bit more. Maybe not today, obviously, but you know, we'll see. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys, because I just have nothing else to trade here. I don't really want to wait for this one to turn around, and I'm a little bit tired as well. Thank you, Dominic. I will check it out. Let's see, Dominic. Oh yeah, I see that. Nice, 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 nice. Wow, I like this lens. I see you there. Okay. So guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. I made some good profits on the funded accounts. Overall, I'm absolutely happy. So getting closer to payout, hopefully on that Bulenox account, and I'm gonna ask for a payout on that Apex. Thank you again for joining, and I'll be back in London session tomorrow. And if you would like to support, please use the codes and links. That really gives some credit to the stream. And stay tuned, we're gonna have giveaway this week as well. All right, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. You guys are great. Thanks again. And Jung, thank you, and everybody. Thanks for the support. All right, see you guys tomorrow in London, and trade safely. All right, cheers everyone.